Welcome back. So I thought I would show you two iPhone replacement screen types and see what is better than the other. So this iPhone on my right had its screen fail, but because of budget issues we decided to buy an LCD in cell technology. So let me wake them up so that you can see the differences between the two screen qualities. So right now I think I'm going to just open the dialer, emergency dialer, just to allow us to see how the keypad looks like. Now this is that and this is this. So you can see the difference. This one's white is a lot nicer, but then this one we shall see where it outsmarts this. Now let me turn off the lights. We're only looking at its screens, and as such we are now looking at only these two screens. So let me see the touch sensitivity. Okay. Let me see if I can type at the same time. So I think the response is fine of the touch. Now let me clear everything and try to type on each as fast as I can. Please clear. Okay, so what's up? All right, so yeah, very responsive right there. So I'm going to launch the camera apps and then see. I don't have the password to this one because it came in for repair and I didn't ask the owner. So I'm just going to use the camera. Let me get some templates to provide subjects here. So I'm having that. I'm just using a contraption of many things right there, and I'm going to add myself lighting so that we take photos. And I've ensured the back cameras are okay. Let me ensure it is clean, and then that too is clean. So because this is our subject, let me take a photo of it that we are going to use for comparison. Take a photo, take a photo, take a photo, take a photo. Then using this, oh, it's in video mode, not photo mode. Okay, take a photo, let me take one from this angle, good measure, then this from that angle at good measure. Now the two appear like this when you literally look through. So all right, and now having said that, let me open up the images and help you compare in-cell and OLED technologies. So the owner has come, so I need a pin. Let me get it. All right, so we are comparing these two. So this is how the in-cell would show its picture, and this is how the OLED would show its picture. Let me kill the light so that you guys are able to see. So as you notice, the OLED screen is much better than the in-cell screen. This one is normally installed simply for the sake of being able to use your device, but otherwise in terms of picture quality it's nicer on the OLED screen. But of course there's a huge price difference. Now this you'd get for around 20 USD to about 30 USD. Now this would be around 70 USD. So this is like a third of this one's price, but they work all right, just as we've demonstrated. Anyway, see you in the next video, and that's the differences in replacement screen and how they perform OLED in cell. Thank you. Now you can make your decision.